What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to connect a soundbar to your Fire TV stick. So first things first, you want to come over to your soundbar and make sure you turn it on by using the power button or the remote control, and you can actually see that mine is turned on like so. Now you also want to make sure that your soundbar is actually set to Bluetooth mode. So once it is set to Bluetooth mode, you now want to head over to your Fire Stick, and on your Fire Stick, you want to head over to the settings icon at the top right corner of your Fire Stick. So just scroll horizontally until you get to this settings icon, and then you want to scroll down until you get to controllers and Bluetooth devices over here. Click on it as well, and now you just want to scroll down to other Bluetooth devices. Click on it, and then you want to go ahead and click on add Bluetooth. Now at this point, you want to make sure that your soundbar is not connected to any other device and it is actually set to Bluetooth mode. Now once that is done, you can literally now find the name of your soundbar over here. Mine is actually a Hisense soundbar, and that is why you have the Hisense soundbar over here. Now you just want to go ahead and select it like so. And once that is done, your soundbar will now be connected to your Fire TV stick.
Connected.
You can literally see that it just connected with my Fire TV stick over here. Now, just to test things out, I'm going to go ahead and play a video from my YouTube channel, and you're going to hear the sound coming out from my soundbar now. So here is my YouTube channel, and I'll just go ahead and play out this video, and you're going to hear the sound coming out from my soundbar like so. So over here, I have the Fire TV stick with me, and this is actually the light version. That will be all on how to connect your Fire TV stick to a soundbar. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.